dangers of photography. It be that way sometimes. Right, hi everyone. So Cat Warren Photo here. I'm here with Tanya and also Black Queen Photography behind the video. How do you expose for both your flash for the subject and your background? And I'm going to have to increase the ISO to provide a little bit more ambient light in the background, because if I don't do that and I have the ISO at a lower measure, you don't see any ambient light for the background. All you see is good exposure from the flash flashing the subject. So with the ISO, you can see a lot of the ambient light in the background. You can see a lot of the background. The only thing is, with a higher ISO, you're going to have like a lot of grain as well. And so when I lower the ISO, then you don't see any of this backdrop like you did here. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. But I want this. So what we're going to do, we're going to increase the ISO back. We're going to decrease the flash.
Oh, nice.
And then hopefully we can get a balance.